Got a little filler primer. We're just gonna paint it satin black. Looking pretty good. Assuming they're a 6x9. That's 9. That's 6. Previous owner said there was mice in this van. I'll look at the other side. I don't see anything like that.
Just what I suspected. Nice. That's a good little hole.
Okay guys, well, I got my speakers. So I think I'm gonna try and cut this off. Maybe I can just use this connector. But I do need to solder some wires on. Alright guys, well, I soldered a couple wires on there. So these speakers come with some kind of lights in the back. Okay, so I got the wire here, in the back, up here. I'm gonna go across the ceiling. Wire in, we can go ahead and reinstall this speaker. So again, we're just tucking along here. You can take your finger, tuck that wire in. This panel is dry and painted. We can reinstall it. Put this end in first. We got little tabs. You gotta push in first. Oh, and if you're doing that, go around the belt. Like that. Just like that. What we're gonna do is then we're just gonna hook this wire up to this speaker like a daisy chain, and we're going to continue from this speaker over the 12-volt supply over here by the seat. Okay, once it's taped up, you can plug it back in. You guys can see, but I just kind of jumpered that pair of wires right on the terminals.
Shows that it's on the key, so that means it's ignition switched. So we're just trying to pop this panel out.
One of those, I'm assuming the yellow black is the negative. 2 wires are in, guys. As you can see, that one lit up. Hard to see. Okay, so now with them tested, we gotta get this wire fed through here and down here. So now it's coming out of the hole over here. I'm gonna splice it into the key power. So then we got this cover. Personally, I think it looks a lot better. With that trim black, it matches that better.